Molecular gastronomy is a scientific discipline that explores the physical and chemical transformations of ingredients during cooking. This course will introduce you to the principles and techniques of molecular gastronomy, from the use of gelling agents and foams to the creation of spheres and cones. You will learn how to manipulate the physical and chemical properties of food to create new textures, flavors, and presentations. Unit 1, Introduction to Molecular Gastronomy. Definition and history of molecular gastronomy. Scientific concepts and theories in molecular gastronomy. Equipment and ingredients commonly used in molecular gastronomy. Understanding of the sensory analysis of food. Unit 2, Basic techniques of molecular gastronomy. Hydrocolloids and gelling agents, agar-agar, xanthan gum, carrageenan foams, using lecithin, agar-agar, and nitrous oxide. Spherification, using sodium alginate and calcium chloride sous vide cooking. Unit 3, Advanced techniques of molecular gastronomy. Reverse spherification. Encapsulation, using sodium alginate and calcium lactate. Gelification, using gelatin, pectin, and carrageenan infusion and encapsulation, using hydrocolloids and essential oils. Unit 4, Applications of molecular gastronomy. Creative plating and presentation techniques. Flavor modification and enhancement. Use of molecular gastronomy in different cuisine styles. Experimentation and innovation in molecular gastronomy. Unit 5, Practical applications of molecular gastronomy. Hands-on experience with different techniques and applications. Creation of a molecular gastronomy dish using acquired skills and knowledge. Final presentation and evaluation of the course. Conclusion. At the end of this course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the principles and techniques of molecular gastronomy and the ability to apply these to your own cooking and experimentation. This course will provide you with the knowledge and skills to create unique, visually appealing, and scientifically innovative dishes that will delight your diners.